Alright, I want to kind of talk about what I've learned by posting videos like this for the past 5 or 6 days. When I used to work for a company, we used to have a lot of coffee breaks, and I would go with other employees and we would talk about the company, we'd talk about the business, and we would talk about our marketing plans. And I kind of want to do that on this channel. I want to kind of talk about marketing things, marketing trends, but share it with you guys. I think there's a lot of people out there that would like to hear marketing suggestions, marketing strategies, no matter what size business you have. You might be a large company, you might be a medium-sized company, or you might just be a small business like myself. So what I want to do is continue these coffee conversations, but talk marketing. Talk about what I've learned, what trends I'm coming across. And I think that's going to be valuable for anybody who wants to kind of sit and watch this channel, these videos for 5 minutes, that you might be able to learn something. And these conversations are very helpful because we're all trying to do marketing. We're all trying to get our business and our products out there. But not all the times do we have a chance to learn what other people are doing. To give you a little bit background about myself, I've been doing graphic design for nearly 20 years. And I've also been doing video production. I worked at a printing company. I've been doing web development for 15 years. That experience and what I've learned over the years is very helpful. The market has changed rapidly. There's a lot of different things going on. And I want to kind of use my experience and share it. So sometimes we're going to be talking about graphic design. Sometimes we're going to be talking about print production. We're going to be talking about website development. But I want to be that kind of person for your business. And if there's a website that you need to be built, maybe you'll kind of use me or contact me and I can kind of help build it. If you need graphic design, if you need print production, I have many friends in the printing industry. And if you need anything, I think the main goal is to kind of have a person that's out there for your business that can help you grow, that's willing to listen to what you got and maybe sometimes just talk strategy. That's what I've been learning. Another thing that you see on these videos is that I have an open chair. I want to get to the point that if you have a business and you want to come on here and talk about your business on my channel or talk with me about marketing, I want to share that with you. That's what I'm working towards, and I hope that you stick around and pay attention to this YouTube channel because these are the things that I care about the most, and I want to share it and relay this to you. We all can use marketing. We're all trying to increase sales, but I just want to let you know that you have a person who's willing to listen, talk, and give suggestions. If you have a business and you're looking for graphic design, print production, web development, video production, contact me. I'll put a link down below where you can contact me. Otherwise, I hope that you stick around and see how this channel can grow. If you want to come on here and talk about your business, then I'd be happy to do so. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the real world.